Hey, it is tea. I am back. I am in full effect. I am here at your service. Yes, I am. Hey guys, welcome back to T's World. I am so happy that you guys are with me today. T Tribe, we're back. We're ready to go. Bomb, bomb, bang, bang. I'm gonna try to come up with some type of secret handshake for us, but I'm just working. I'm just trying different things anyway. But yeah, you know. I'm so excited. I'm so excited because today we're doing our first tutorial in a long time. I had to kind of, get myself together and, I had to take care of some things and I had to take care of myself, but I'm so happy to be back. And I am so excited to feature for today's twist out tutorial. Yeah, so don't get it twisted, y'all. Don't get it twisted. I like that. So I actually had this as over a week twist. I'll say a week and a half because I actually remember doing it on Monday last week and took it out Tuesday, and it's Thursday now. So this is about a week and a half, and I'm actually going to do a twist out remix, which was, I had previous twist outs before, but I'm going to show you what worked for me and how I found my little twist out groove. I found my little recipe, what works for me, and I'm going to share it with y'all, okay? All right, that's coming up, but let me get to it anyway. So today I am featuring, my twist out tryout with Alikay Naturals. And I'm doing this with not just the recent collection that came out. I'm actually doing their classic collection. Our first product on the lineup we have is the Alikay Naturals Caribbean Coconut Milk Shampoo. Alright? So you see it's got like the little, if you look here, it's the film at the top, and then at the bottom it's got the rest. So I'm guessing you're supposed to shake. Yes, you're supposed to shake this really well. Shake, which I'm going to show you when we go into wash, and we're going to try this out. But this is actually made for kinky, curly, and wavy and straight hair, so it works for all hair types. And I'm actually going to go in with this. I like this because it has a nozzle, and I'm excited because it has coconut milk in it, and coconut smells really good. I'm not too sure if coconut really bothers me or if it actually works really well, because I know a lot of people complain about coconut and coconut oils and things like that. Now coconut doesn't react well with their hair, but I guess we shall see how this is going to be. But it has some great ingredients in here, just to name a few: aloe vera juice, glycerin. It might concern some folks who are glycerin sensitive. Definitely water, you can't go wrong with that. Coconut oil, coconut milk, sage, nettle in there. It's got sweet almond oil, tea tree. So it's got some great stuff, but this way you guys can see it. You see that right there? Alright, so we're going to try this first, the Caribbean Coconut Milk Shampoo. And it's sulfate free. Yay! It's a favorite of a lot of people. It's a tried and true. This is the lemongrass leave-in. And I haven't used this before, but I'm really excited for this because I heard a lot of great things. And I like lemongrass for a lot of different properties. Not only is it really good for shedding and shine and volume, as it says right here, but it also is good for bug repellent. So you can use it on the skin. It alleviates itching, especially insect bites, things like that. Lemongrass is really awesome, and I have some natural lemongrass oil at home, chilling in the back. So, yeah, but lemongrass, can't go wrong. And it's got some water, cetyl alcohol. I heard that's one of the good alcohols. Chloride is a little concerning, but we'll see. And silk amino acids, wheat germ, sweet almond, just to name a few. And this will be the leave-in. And I can probably tell this smells really good. And it could be used for all hair types as well. So, and it's 8 ounces. Yeah. Shampoo was at least like about $14 or so for me. And I think the same thing for the lemongrass. Probably about I think it was 14. I gotta look and I gotta check for y'all. But I will. Don't worry. Don't worry. I got you. We have the Avocado Cream Moisture Repairing Mask. So it is chock full of beta-carotene, B, C, and E vitamins, some healthy fats, and of course avocado. I I will put avocado in my hair faster than in my mouth. I'm not a big fan of avocado, so you won't really catch me eating guacamole. But I am going to try this in my hair, and this is extra virgin olive oil, rosemary oil, wheat germ, peppermint, and coconut in there, and avocado butter, avocado oils. So it has some great stuff in here, and I'm curious, it's green. It's green looking, so I'm definitely going to have fun with this, and I want to see how it performs. So, and it's a mask. Last product that I have up to bat is, sorry y'all, I had it backwards. But this is the Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer, and I'm actually excited about this because this is what I'm going to use for the twist out. But I have felt it in my hands. It looks very, very thick, and I'll show you what the product consistencies look like throughout the video. But I just want to show you guys really quick that, yeah, it is pretty thick. So yeah, you see that? It actually, well, let me open it up for y'all a little better. But you see, and I put on my hands, it's very thick. It's really like you're really putting like all natural shea butter. But it has some great stuff in it, such as argan oil, coconut oil, and it smells really good. I don't know why it's giving me like a lemon vibe. And I love argan, so my hair loves that. So I'm excited about that already. And it has, what else in it? I already mentioned coconut oil, wheat germ, rosemary, vitamin E. So yeah, so you can use this for like a multitude of purposes as well, and this is more best for kinky hair. And I usually have I have coily hair, but I do have some kinky hair like chilling, so definitely this would be the most exciting thing for me. Excuse my ratchet nails, y'all. But yeah, this is it for me. I'm really excited to try this. Guys, that is it for the intro. We're gonna get right into it. Sorry it was long, y'all, but we're gonna get into the intro. And okay, guys, that is pretty much it for the intro, and we're going to get straight into the video. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, look at my head. Mine's not letting me be great, but we're gonna get it done anyway. All right, but I'll see y'all. Bye.
Alright guys, so we're getting started with the Caribbean Coconut Shampoo. As you can see, I did my little shaky shake, and now I'm applying it to the hair. What I like about this shampoo, it actually suds very easily. It also smelled very nice. It wasn't too perfumey, but it was like enough where you could smell it. You know, sometimes you get too many scents or one strong scent, but I like that it's not that strong. But yeah, a little goes a long way with the shampoo. Oh, wait, my shampoo jam shuffle. Oh yeah. Smells great. Just like I said, very relaxing. And I'm just jamming along. Getting all up in there in the scalp. And actually the definition was great, but I did have to wash it out quite a bit. It wasn't as easy to wash out. That's really the only complaint that I really have with the shampoo, but the definition was there. You see that little patch right there. Alright, and next is the Avocado Cream Moisture Repairing Mask. Really green and slimy, like Nickelodeon slime. But it felt really cool and actually really nice. It's just that it was very green and it can stain things, so be very careful. Easily just raking through the curls. Hardly no hair coming out of my fingers. Like, yeah. And that joy is about to be very short-lived, y'all. And I'll explain it to y'all in a minute. Okay? Alright. Y'all can roll it now. I'm just going through. The moisture was there for the most part, but like I said, just stay tuned for that. All right, and then I'm just gonna cap it up. I need like 3 of them. But I'm gonna cap it up, and you guys stay tuned for part 2, okay? All right, I'll see y'all there.